Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Beach bum. Patrick has just returned to work from a vacation. He's in a great mood. His coworker Tom starts to talk to him. Hey, Patrick, you seem pretty relaxed. What have you been up to lately? I've been spending my time getting some sun, having drinks, and surfing. How about you? Sounds amazing. I've been so busy with work lately, I could really use a break like that. I wish I could be a beach bum like you. You should definitely join me sometime. It's the perfect way to unwind and recharge. That's a great idea. I'll have to make some time for a little beach bumming myself. Always a great idea, Tom. Quiz time. What does beach bum mean? Someone who surfs? Someone who works at the office? Someone who loves to be lazy at the beach? Someone who goes on vacation? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Someone who loves to be lazy at the beach. Teaching moment. A bum is a person who is lazy and doesn't want to work. This is a typical word, not only for the beach. It's generally for a man. That guy hasn't had a job in 10 years. What a bum! Beach bumming is also an activity. This simply means to be lazy at the beach. We generally use it in the gerund form. This is a universal term for men or women. I feel like beach bumming this weekend. I could use some sun. Examples. Instead of working, Alex prefers to spend his days beach bumming and surfing the waves. I'm looking forward to beach bumming all day tomorrow and just relaxing with a good book. Jenny decided to go beach bumming for the weekend and rented a house near the ocean. Even though he's a businessman, Tom dreams of becoming a beach bum and living in a tropical paradise. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To be in a good mood. To feel happy about something. What have you been up to? What's new in your life? Unwind and recharge. Relax and recover energy. I'm looking forward to something. I'm excited about something. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.